What would you say if I told you there's a simple way to instantly change how a Slavic girl responds to you, just by making a few simple moves I'll show you in this video? You've probably been there, the dreaded friend zone, that place where she no longer sees you as a man and potential partner, but as a male girlfriend she can use to complain about the man who captured her heart and body. If this ever happened to you, know that you are not alone. A recent study from Binghamton University found that 92.6% of women have friend-zoned someone in their lives. Once she considers you a friend, your chances of creating romance with her are close to zero. What's sad about this is there's a simple solution which is guaranteed to bulletproof you against ever being friend-zoned. And in this video, I'll share with you 3 practical moves you can use on your first date to show her you are a potential romantic partner and not just a friend. Not only will she respect you for having the courage to show her what you are all about, she'll also feel desired by you and start to show you more of her feminine side. Once these touches have become a habit for you, you'll find yourself doing them without even thinking about them. And in the process, your confidence will grow and you'll automatically relax in the company even of women you previously thought were out of your league. So pay close attention and watch this video to the end. Hi, my name is Tanya Sparks and I'm a dating and relationship coach. Watch as every week I'm going to reveal to you new secrets about what Slavic women really want. Plus, you will receive instantly effective methods to win over any Slavic girl or improve your existing relationship. So please hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. Now, before I tell you about the 3 moves which work like magic at creating attraction, there's one more thing we need to talk about, and that's proper timing. You see, when you first meet a girl, there's a certain amount of time you have in which she makes a decision about what role you will play in her life. Don't worry, it's easier than it may sound. All you need to do is touch her the right way. In this video, we'll cover the 3 best areas to touch and how to approach it in the right way, without making her feel uncomfortable, while showing her that you know how to treat a Slavic woman. Let's dive in. The first area we will cover are the shoulders. It's the easiest spot to touch a woman, which is why I recommend to start touching her here. She won't feel uncomfortable or resist your touch, making it a safe choice for both of you. This will get her used to you touching her and make the 2 of you feel closer to each other. Her shoulder might not be the highway to her heart, but at least it's on the way. Let me show you some real examples on how to put this into practice. Let's say the 2 of you are in a crowded bar and someone tries to pass by you. Gently take her by her shoulders and move her out of the way for the other person to be able to pass. You can do the same when you're walking on the street with her and there's a pothole. Softly lead her out of harm's way. The goal here is to show that you are aware of your surroundings and that you watch out for her to keep her safe. Safety is a major concern for any woman, and if you can show her that you can protect her, you'll appear more masculine to her. There's no way this won't increase your success with Slavic women. We are on the lookout for masculine men, and it's not big muscles I'm talking about here. It's the feeling you give us. A brief warning here, do not take this as an invitation to abruptly move her, as though she is a piece of furniture. Your touch should be gentle and the move should be soft. Make her feel you know what you are doing, without trying to dominate her. If she is resisting, you are doing it wrong. However, when you are dealing with a Slavic woman, chances are she will welcome your gesture of care. The second one is the shoulder blade area. I know, you probably heard about this one before, because it's another safe zone to create physical contact. However, there are 2 major mistakes a lot of guys do, and this is why I want to cover it here. If you commit any of them, you either end up in the friend zone or with a slap on the face. You see, there's a sweet spot you need to find in the shoulder blade area. If you're touching her too far towards her neck, she will associate it with the touch of a friend. That's bad. But what even worse is if you touch her too far towards her lower back. She'll take that as a sexual move that is coming too early in the game. The result, you will be instantly disqualified as a creep. The correct area to touch is right at the shoulder blade bone, no more than a palm lower than this. You see, what we are using here is actually one of the most attractive dance moves. According to a study done by Northumbria University in England, it's the one move that allows you to easily lead her without her feeling forced. Let's say, for example, you are opening a door for her. Put your hand on this area and use it to invite her to enter. You shouldn't push her or press her, but gently make her feel in what direction you want her to move. This type of behavior makes you a man who knows what he wants in her eyes. And it is something a friend would never dare to do. It's really simple stuff and trust me, it works. Let's continue with the third move. Offer her your arm. It's a simple move, yet it's completely underrated. Here's why. It's almost impossible to screw up, and not a single Slavic girl would ever associate it with friendship. It's a protective gesture, which gives her the option to accept it or not. Because here is the thing, you offer her your arm, you don't take her by the arm. The difference may seem small, but take my word for it, it's huge for us. The first is the protective move of a real gentleman. The second one is arrogant groping. Here are some good moments when to offer her your arm. She is in heels and the terrain is a little too raucous. You guys went out for drinks and the two of you feel a bit tipsy. Any weather condition which creates slippery roads like rain, snow or ice. This is a huge turn on for women, and yet 99% of guys probably never do it. In other words, you build powerful attraction without saying a word. That's how natural seducers do it, and you can now join their ranks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I hope you found it useful. I'm looking forward to see you next week.